Thank you for the welcome. And it was interesting when I came in, you were talking about kangaroos, and I don't know, not sure if you mentioned koala bears, but kangaroos are certainly one of my favorite animals.
Oh.
They're a beautiful animal. And my favorite place is actually the beach. I love the beach. We really do have beautiful beaches here in Australia. We have really nice white sands. It's just magnificent. So that's my favorite place, is the beach.
Thank you so much for having the opportunity to help out the kids here as well in Ukraine. We're now talking about our favorite places, because that's how I want to bring up Ukraine, actually. About places that we care about. Okay, some of us, our favorite places, some of you answered that your favorite place is home, right? Some of you answered it's the beach, and some of you answered that it's the mountains, the forests, right? And the thing is, my favorite place is Ukraine right now, but now my favorite place is in danger. So it's not safe to be in my favorite place. And it's not just for me, but it's also for the other kids. So for example, kids like Perrin, who loves to stay with their families, they're not with their families anymore because they're separated. Some of them went to another country. Some of them stayed here. Some of them don't even have homes anymore, The beach, we cannot go there because in the beach there are some warships that can attack us, right? In the forests, we can't go also because there might be soldiers or mines in the forests. So what I'm trying to say here is that we all have our favorite place. We all have a place that we love, a place that we care about. And this is the place that I care about right now. This is my home. And it's very nice that all of you kids are trying to help save my home, because there are also kids like you, families like you, who are actually in danger of losing this home too.